Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus Maths, and this is lesson 4. Let's go through the first question together. So 8 bags of compost cost £10. What is the cost of 15 bags? So 8 bags of compost costs £10. What is the cost of 15 bags? So the best thing to do here is to find out the cost of 1 bag of compost. So let's just work this out. So first of all, let's just do some division. So £10 divided by 8 bags. Now this will give us a cost of 1 bag of compost. So 8 cannot go into 10, so we just stick a 0 on top. This decimal point comes on top now. And we have, 8 goes into 10 once. My apologies. Let's just do this again. 8 goes into 10 once. And the decimal point comes up here. And remainder is 2. So we just put 2 next to 0 to make 20. How many times can 8 go into 20? So 8 can divide into 20 2 times, because 8 times 2 are 16. And that gives us a remainder 4, which we'll just put next to the last 0 at the end, as you can see here. How many times can 8 divide into 40? Well, 8 times 5 we know is 40. That means £1.25 is the cost of 1 bag. Okay, now we need to find out the cost of 15 bags. So we will just do £1.25 multiplied by 15 bags. So let's work this out. So 5 times 5 is 25. 2 is carried on side. 5 times 2 is 10. So remember, you're always multiplying and going from right to left. 5 times 2 is 10. Add the 2. Gives us 12. So 2 goes here. 1 is carried forward. 5 times 1 is 5. And add the 1 gives us 6. Now we've done 5. So let's just cross it out and stick a 0 at the bottom. And now let's do from right to left. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Let's add up these answers down here. So 5 add 0 is 5. 5 add 2 is 7. 6 add 2 is 8. And 1 goes at the bottom. Now it's important that we've got a decimal place here. So if you look at the question, we have a decimal place from the right to the left of 2 spaces. So start from the right. 1, 2. That's where our decimal point is. So we'll do exactly the same thing with the answer. So from right to left, 1 and 2, and stick the decimal point here. And that gives us an answer of £18.75, which will be option C. If you're not sure how to do double-digit multiplication, start practicing now. So it's very, very essential that you understand this particular technique. Thank you so much, and good luck with the rest of the questions.